I'm going to show you some tips on how to grow some amazing garlic. Hi everyone, Roger here from the Messy Gardener, and this is my garlic bed. I've been growing garlic for many years now, and I have quite a bit of experience. Remember that large bulbs grow larger garlic. So you want to plant these actually in the end of October. That's when you want to put garlic bulbs in the ground. But there's something you can do right now in June to help assure that you have large bulbs when it's time to harvest at the end of July. One thing you want to do is make sure that you have really good soil, and I always put down some straw to protect the soil when I'm growing my garlic. You can see how nice and thick this stalk is on this garlic. To assure that you get some large bulbs, you want to do one simple step, and you get to eat them at the same time. This is the flower that's developing on the garlic. You don't want the energy going into the flower, you want the energy to go into beautiful giant bulbs. So you just simply snap these off. What's great is you make a harvest of them because they're delicious, and you can fry them up with some butter or cut them up and put them into some salad. They are completely edible. The younger these flowers, the more delicious and tender they are, so it's good to catch them early, and they should just be able to be pinched off. Super simple. It's normal for them to continue to draw moisture from the earth up into what it was feeding the flower, and that is a little treat you can have too. You could actually just slurp that right up, and it tastes a little bit like garlic water. That's my June harvest of garlic flowers. I'm gonna go fry these up and have a snack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Messy Gardener.